Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. Lots to talk about. I'm going to share lots more deals than the ones you see here on the table, but this is all I bought this week, so I'll share with you that as well. I apologize that the video is out a little bit later than normal. I feel like we are in audition season right now, and my son is just like go, 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 and I am his ride. So I have been busier than I feel like I've been in a while. So I appreciate your patience. I know I didn't do a video last week. I think it was another audition. Something was going on. Honestly, I've forgotten because it's been a whole week. But the week before, there were a few people who said some things that, weren't as pleasant or whatever. And a lot of you were like, just do you. You're amazing. Thank you. So I wanted to just say thank you to those who followed me for a while or maybe who are just starting to follow me, who are so supportive and sweet. I really do appreciate that. I do my best to bring you the best deals each week, but I also have to make sure that I am able to support my family. So I think most of you understand that. So this week, honestly, I feel like Walgreens wasn't an amazing week this week. Maybe you feel differently. There are some good grocery deals I'm going to share with you, but the biggest deal that I did was on the Scott promotion, which is spend $35, get a $10 register reward. So I'm going to share with you a couple different ways to do that deal if you're interested. But let's start with grocery deals first. The trail mix is $1.78 this week on sale. I think that's a great deal. I normally buy one when they have that promotion. These Lance, I mentioned these a while back, maybe a month ago. They're two for $2.50, which makes them $1.25 each. This is a great deal. Of course, though, my son loves these until I buy them, and then he decides he's not really interested in them anymore. So, maybe that's a typical kid thing. Do your kids do that as well? Like you buy a pound of something, they eat it all in 2 days. So then you buy 2 pounds and it sits in your fridge for like 2 weeks and then it goes bad and you have to throw it away. So that's where I am on that. The Rockstar drinks. Now this is a good deal if your Walgreens carries these Rockstar drinks. Mine were in the refrigerated section. So they are 2 for $3.50, but there is a rebate to get $5 back when you buy 2 of them. You don't have to do anything else. The rebate talks about buying gas. You don't have to do that. You'll get $5 back either to your Venmo or your PayPal, whichever you prefer, making them both free and a $1.50 moneymaker. To access that rebate, I'm going to drop a link down below in the comments. I will pin it so it's that top comment that you see. And that reminds me, this morning in my email, I saw an offer for a Sam's Club annual membership for $14. That seems like a really great deal. So I'm going to drop a link to that deal as well. So if you've been wanting to check out Sam's or getting a new membership, $14 for the year. Other grocery deals. I have it written down here. Sodas. And soda deals tend to be regional. So if you don't see this, it might just not be in your region. But it was like the Dr. Pepper, the Coke, the ginger ale were 3 for $14.99. That makes them $5 per pack. The applesauce, the Nice brand applesauce, is 2 for $3.75. So that makes them $1.87 a pack. The almonds are buy one, get one free, regular price $3.99, so that makes it $2 a bag. I think that was it on the groceries. I noticed on my Fetch Rewards app a deal for peanut butter M&Ms. It was $1.50 back on each, and it was like a limit of 5, I believe. So I bought 2 of these for $3.75. And then I got $3 back, making it 75 cents for both of these. And I combined this in with a spin deal, so I'll tell you about that here in a minute. But check your Fetch Rewards app and see if you have that rebate. I saw it maybe a week ago, but I just haven't messed with it until now. If you're brand new to Fetch, I do have a complete tutorial on that app that shows you how to use it. If you're brand new, you can use my referral code because you'll get additional points back when you scan that first receipt. Okay, so I think that was everything. food-wise. Now, the other deals that you don't see here, I want to go through quickly. The Crest Oral-B products are $3 a piece. You buy 2 of them, use that $3 digital, you'll pay $3 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward, making them both free. Register reward deals need to be done in store because it's something that prints out at the register. If you're brand new to shopping at Walgreens, I have a full tutorial for beginners, so definitely check out my beginner tutorials because it will make all of this make sense. The Cottonelle toilet paper is $5. There's a $2 digital, makes it $3 for a pack. Super easy deal. There are razors that are $4.99 with a $4 digital, making it just 99 cents. The Gain products this week are 4 for $16. That just makes them $4 a piece. The All laundry detergent is $4.99. There is a $1 digital, making it $3.99. All right, now let's talk about all of these toilet paper and paper towels. Now, it's kind of funny. My son and I were headed home from his voice lesson, and so we popped in. I said, I'm going to have to stop at Walgreens. I hadn't made it there yet. And so we grabbed the toilet paper and the paper towels. And he was walking out probably like 30 seconds ahead of me because I was putting the cart back. And he's walking out with this handful of toilet paper. And I see this couple coming in and they're like, that looks mischievous. And then I realized what he was carrying. I'm like, oh yeah, we're going to toilet paper the neighbor's house. So that was kind of a funny thing that happened. But there is a Scott promotion. Spend $35, get a $10 register reward. Okay. Now, these are buy one, get one 50% off. So they all are $5, right? So buy one, get one 50% off. That means $5 for one, $2.50 for the other. I was working with that promotion in addition to my digital booster of spend 35, get 7. So let me know in the comments, did you get that digital booster? I think most people did. Spend 35, get 7. So when we spend 35, we're going to get that $10 register reward as well as that $7 in Walgreens cash because of the digital booster. So here's how the math works out on that one. You would buy 10 of the Scott. You can do mix and match, whatever you want. I did some of the toilet paper, some of the paper towels because there's a $1 digital on the toilet paper. There's a $1 digital on the paper towels. You can also submit your receipt to the Shop Me app where you're going to get another $1 back for one of the toilet papers and another $1 back for the Scott paper towels. So I have 5 and 5. I used the $1 digital for the paper towels and a $1 digital for the toilet paper. So that total is $35.50 after those digitals come off. That's what I paid. I got back a $10 register reward for spending $35. I got back the 7 for spending $35 because of my digital booster. I got back the $1 and the $1 from Shop Me, making it $16.50 for all 10 of those, or $1.65 each. Now, that's one way to do that if you have the digital booster and your store has the stock to get these. My store had tons of them, probably because they're on promotion, spend 35, get 10. Now, I also had a paper booster. So I am combining the Scott promo, spend 35, get $10 in register rewards, the digital booster, spend 35, get 7, and then my paper booster of spend 40, get 7. So I bought 10 of the paper towels and the toilet paper together, and then I added the M&Ms into that deal. Okay, that put me at $39.25 after the 2 $1 digitals came off. I got back the $10 register reward, the $7 in Walgreens cash for the digital booster, the $7 in Walgreens cash for the paper booster, the $1 on Shop Me for the toilet paper, the $1 on Shop Me for the paper towels, the $3 on Fetch for the M&Ms, leaving me to pay $10.25 total, which makes the toilet paper like $1.02 each, and the M&Ms completely free. So if you want to stock up on paper towels and toilet paper, or you want to make a donation somewhere, awesome price on those products. That's how I choose to use my digital booster, and I happen to get lucky and get a paper booster as well. If you have questions on any of that, let me know down in the comments. I think that was everything that I wanted to share with you. Of course, at the end of the video, I will have pictures of the things that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. It was an okay week, nothing super exciting unless you're in desperate need of stocking up on toilet paper and paper towels. I hope you guys have a fabulous week. Thanks.